Step 1. Install the filter vertically on the water inlet. Step 2. Connect the soil moisture sensor to GrowCube and plug into the soil. Note insertion depth should be more than 2/3 of the sensor and close to the root of the plant. Step 3. Cut the water pipe freely. Step 4. Connect the water pipe to the GrowCube outlet. Step 5. Connect the water pipe and the nozzle with the connector. Step 6. Fix the nozzle through the bracket. Be careful not to point the nozzle hole upwards, otherwise the water will spray out of the pot. Step 7. Add water to the GrowCube tank. Note: do not exceed the maximum water mark. Step 8. Turn on the power and wait for lights flash alternately. Start using. First, remove the rubber stopper. Then put the water pipe through a small hole into the water tank. Remove the filter and insert one end of water pipe into the water inlet. Cover the filter head and connect the other end of the water pipe. Put filter into the external water source and start use.